Cheeseburger. Are you ready, Thomas?
Before that,
Are you ready to choo-choo?
We're down in Alamosa, and they started gathering up narrow gauge equipment that the Denver and Rio Grande Western was getting rid of it. They figured if anybody was going to save it for posterity, it would probably be them. Didn't take them long to figure out that they had more equipment than they had room for. So they came up to the Denver area, looked around, couldn't find anything in Denver that suited them or was within their price range. Found this little valley out in Golden, and a farm on it that was for sale. And it was the right price range and the right place. They bought it. Subsequently, they trucked everything they had down in Alamosa up here to Golden, put it on the property. Right now, Colorado Railroad Museum is not a state facility, it's a non-profit 501c3. On our 15 acres, we have over 100 pieces of narrow gauge and standard gauge equipment locomotives. On in front of the roundhouse to our right, you'll see our Armstrong turntable. The bridge on that turntable weighs in excess of 40 tons. We can take any piece of equipment we got here except one, balance it on that turntable, and one person, such as Matt doing out there, lean on one of those black arms and get that turntable rotating.
You see Thomas way up there?
Fun part
there he is.
Fun part is once you got it rotating, getting it stopped again.
How are you going slow?
So we gotta slow down and turn it around. We're gonna go again. You wanna go again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get over to our right, a couple of tracks over, just beyond the caboose. Locomotive number 683. That's the only one left of all the standard gauge steam locomotives that the Denver Rio Grande Western had. Sole survivor. Being RGW feels it's over 500 at one time. You can get your pictures taken with Thomas today. We've got a JED photographer, our professional photographers for this event on board the train, taking pictures if you want them. Also, when we're stopped, alongside Thomas, you'll find a photo line set up so you can have your picture taken with Thomas the Tank Engine. If you'd like to do it yourself, you're welcome to use your own iPhones, iPads, cameras, whatever you have, or you can have JED do it for you, or a group shot, professional style. The locomotive over to the left of the train is 5629.
It says we rode Thomas.
We rode Thomas.
That's for a few reasons.